Hello, my people. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Wherever you are watching from, wherever you are listening to me from, I bring you greetings. I bring you greetings. So, today, I didn't come with a story, you know, but it's a story in itself because the topic I'm coming to share with you guys is a story because there are so many stories about this particular topic, which I'm sure most of you knows a lot about. So I'm going to talk to you guys about marriage. For those of you that are still single, those of you guys that are still single, those of you ladies that are still single and searching or hoping to get married anytime soon or anytime in the future. You see, when looking for a life partner, when searching for a spouse, there are so many things you have to put into consideration. Today, I'm not going to talk about all of them because they are so wide. There are so many that time will not permit me to start dealing on them one by one. So I'm going to take them one after the other. In subsequent videos, I'm going to also delve into this topic because this topic, you all can agree with me that this topic, the topic of marriage or finding a life partner, is so broad because different cultures has their criteria or their rules regarding this issue. But I'm going to, consider all these things and tackle them all based on what I will consider as a universal criteria. So one of those is finding someone that has got something to offer. Finding someone that has got something upstairs. You don't just pick a partner because the partner is beautiful, because the partner is handsome. When you do that, you are making a terrible mistake. You are making a terrible mistake. When you are looking for a life partner, you need to find somebody that will add value to your life. Somebody that will make your life worthwhile. You need to find somebody that will, compliment you in so many ways. So I am a man. So I will say this based on a man's perspective. So as a man, we are looking for a wife. Please, don't just find a woman that is beautiful. This woman is pretty. This woman has back, she has front, and that is what you need. She can dance. That is what you need. Will all those things add value to your life? Will they? That's what you have to ask yourself. Will they add value to your life? Will this woman compliment you? And we all know and we all agree that life is uncertain. Anything can happen in life. We all agree to that. In this life, you can wake up, you can sleep now, and the next day you will not wake up. In this life, you can wake up this morning and go out, and you might not be able to come back. You will be gone the next moment. Because life has no guarantee. So when such happens to you, you are found and you are nowhere to be seen. You are gone. The woman that you left behind, will she be able to handle the things you left behind? The woman you married, will she be able to take care of your children on her own without starting to jump from one bed to the other to be able to feed those kids? Because there are some women that once the man is dead, they will be confused. They will not know what to do because they know nothing. They were not prepared for such eventuality. What happens? They will turn to playthings in the hand of men. Men will start using them to access toy. They will start sleeping around with different men just to be able to get money and feed their kids. But if that woman is a woman that is capacitated, a woman that is ready, a woman that is strong, a woman that knows herself and her worth, she will be able to control whatever the man left behind. If she was not doing anything before the man left, she can be able to use whatever resources the man left behind to start something up because she was already mentally prepared for such eventuality. She will not be confused. She will only wake up and assume that responsibility. So the woman you are married or the woman that you are dating, you are about to marry, if such happens to you, are you 100% sure that she can be able to handle your home? Are you 100% sure that the children you are leaving behind will be well taken care of? Are you 100%? Ask yourself that question. Will this woman be 100%? Do you trust this woman to be able to take care of your children or your properties or your business in the event of any eventuality, in the event of you are not being there anymore? Will everything be okay at home, or will your house become cat and rat, or will your house become something else? That's what you're going to ask yourself. This woman you are leaving behind, when you are gone, will she be able to accept your family? Will your family continue to be welcomed in your home, or when you are no longer there, she will drive your family away? She will remember that she doesn't belong to your family. So these are the things you need to look out for. Not about beauty, not even about just mere educational qualification. Because there was a video I made last time. I said that education is not wisdom. So look beyond education, academic qualifications, because somebody can be a PhD holder, somebody can be a master's degree holder, but the person lacks wisdom. The person lacks so many things. So those are the things you have to look out for, or one of those things you need to look out for. Be prepared. Be prepared, because we live in a world where men are so much stressed with a lot of responsibilities, which makes them sometimes, or most of the times, they leave this earth earlier before their wives. So when you leave, when such becomes your fate, are you going to be sure that the woman you left behind will be capable of handling whatever achievement you've been able to acquire? Will she be able to hold them down and improve on them? Or will she go and bring another man into your home to come and squander all those things? Because I've seen a situation where a man who had everything before he leaves, when he left to the great beyond, the man brings in, the wife, brings in another man who will come and take over all those things from her. drive her and the children out, and she and the children will start to suffer. So will that become the fate of your kids when you are no more here? Think and think before you take the relationship any further. Think, because the future of your children, the future of your family, when you are no longer there, matters. So this is one of those things you need to consider. In other videos that I will be making subsequently or anytime in the future, I will still talk more on this topic. I hope you have learned something from this message. Thank you so much, and God bless. Ciao.